raspberries and limoncello tiramisu. Mamma mia. No, ragazzi. It's fresh, it's gorgeous, it's divine. Just like you and I. Ingredients. Welcome to a new episode of Pasta Queen Special Tiramisu Week. Today we are creating a new spin on the classic tiramisu by making a wholesome raspberry tiramisu. Raspberries are in season. We going to make the freshest, most delightful raspberry tiramisu you've ever had. I don't know what else to say. It's gonna be gorgeous, just like you. First step first, let's make a very quick and easy raspberry jam that's going to be used in the tiramisu. We've got extra ripe raspberries. Now, for the raspberries, I really advise you to search for farmers market that carry raspberries as opposed to buying them in the grocery store. They're a lot redder, they're a lot riper, and a little more sweet than the ones you get, even the organic ones. I don't know why, just farmers know best. You want to get the top raspberries for this one. Now, this is really a simple step you can do with any fruit, any berries. You create that jam. We do it with blueberries, we do it with raspberries, strawberries, blackberries. I mean, you can go crazy, right? You can even do a mixed berries tiramisu with whatever berries you prefer. The procedure is exactly the same. The quantities will be adjusted to make up whatever the quantities are for this recipe with the berries mix that you like, but the actual process and steps to create the jam is exactly the same. It's the berries, lemon juice, and sugar. For this recipe, light brown sugar. You can use white sugar, but I prefer slightly unrefined. Now the lemon juice and the light brown sugar. For this tiramisu, only egg yolks. We're doing the exact same mixture you would in a classic original Venetian tiramisu. Egg yolks only. It's a lot thicker, it's gorgeous. I'm going to show you, so much more rich. To the egg yolks, we add the light brown sugar. This is a very important step for the tiramisu. You want the egg yolks to fully blend with the light brown sugar. Now, how do you know when this is done? You know when it becomes a lighter yellow, you see a little bit of foaminess to it. The creaminess of the composition is good. This process should take you about 5 to 7 minutes, but you know, look how it falls down. You see how it doesn't sink down to the bottom quickly? It's got a nice thick consistency, it's creamy. All the light brown sugar has melted with the egg yolks. See the consistency? Now gradually add the mascarpone and combine a little at a time. It's very important when you're dealing with eggs and the slight foamy that it creates and creating creams in general, that you go gentle. We use the whisk, but on the lowest setting. You should really do it by hand to really make sure that the structure of the cream is not messed with. We use a little whisk low and then continue by hand, you see, to fold gently, just to retain that fluffiness without breaking the egg and the composition that you made. It's a bit like, you know, art. It's art of cooking. In cooking berries and fruits and making the jam, I call it jam, but it's really a syrup. The longer it cooks, the thicker, the more syrupy, and the less acidic it'll become. Now, for the tiramisu, all you need to do is cook it for about 20 minutes while you're making the mascarpone cream. And it's perfect because it's lost a lot of the water and it's already a lot thicker than when we started. But know this trick, the longer you cook it for, so you're gonna have to use a lot of berries, otherwise it shrinks down in size. The sweeter it'll become, the less acidic. Oh, Mamma mia, che buono! For a very smooth finish, we're going to sift and filter out all the raspberry seeds. This is completely optional, but you can add a splash of limoncello with water to the base of the cookie dipping syrup, just to make it a little extra. If you have kids, if you don't want any alcohol, just double down on the water. But in this one, we're making a raspberry and limoncello tiramisu. Gorgeous. We've got the diluted syrup for the cookies, and we've got the gorgeous dense syrup for the topping. Woo! Let's start. This has to be refrigerated at least 2 hours, up to 6 hours, and then served topped with fresh raspberries. And for this specific serving, the way we're bringing it to the table as is and taking spoonful with a large serving spoon just for maximum impingement. Let's put it in the fridge. It's time for the decorations, my favorite part. This has to be done based on how you feel. So you put as many as you want. Just gorgeous. Nonna would be proud. It's summertime. Who doesn't want to literally dip their entire face in this bowl of tiramisu? It's a hot summer day, and this is a chilled, presented with a champagne flute on the side. Happy summer to you too. See you next week.